Today we want to make you a lovely fresh mango and also ginger and lemon drink, juice, smoothie. Sorry, whatever you want to call it, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching, tuning in my show, guys. We got the t-shirt, I'm ready. The link is in the description box. Go over, get your t-shirt, and thank you for your support. The PayPal link is in the description box for who also donate. I want to take the time out to say thank you, guys, for your donation. It makes a difference. Extra ingredients can able to buy, and it is brilliant. We love you, and thank you so much for tuning to the show. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. It's very important. Anyway, I want to tell you, guys, it is a blessing for the donation. Thank you so much. It makes the difference. Extra mango can also buy. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo t-shirt. The link is in the description box. Nice and lovely. So basically right here, guys, I'm gonna show you. I got a Ninja blender right here, which is very easy and simple to use, and I'm gonna demonstrate and go straight through it with all of my details. Anyway, 1 glass of mango, that's what you're going to be needed, and this is some fresh mango. Few cloves of ginger, lemon, and I mean it's a must. So just gonna remove the skin from the lemon. So we're gonna put a chunk piece of lemon like that inside of it. Not too much water, just a little bit of water inside of it. We don't need to put nothing to sweeten it. So we're gonna blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. That is fantastic, quick, simple, and unique, and that's all we do it when we're rolling. All right, so it's finished. Nice and lovely. And that's exactly what's going on right here. So that's kind of simple. Pour it into my glass. Lovely mango smoothie. Long time when I make a smoothie. Look at that, fresh and nice and lovely. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into the show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things that are coming from Chef Ricardo team, and that's exactly what happened on Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. Fresh mango smoothie with ginger and lemon. Can't go wrong. Thank you for watching. See you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.